have to ask you one thing. How many of you take your outfits from your wardrobe and wear as it is without making any changes?
Change is good.
Yeah, but it's not easy.
Just drop your answer in the comments below. So in today's video, I'm going to take out some boring basic pieces from my wardrobe and I'm going to transform them into amazing outfits. So stay tuned till the end because you might want to get some ideas how to transform your boring pieces into amazing ones. So let's get started. And yes, don't forget, this channel is all about enhancing your style, behavior, and confidence. The pieces in your wardrobe that don't have a lot of color and patterns and prints and designs and are basically classic in nature, they help you build your wardrobe. When you combine your basic and classic outfits with your accessories, then it turns out to be an amazing outfit. So, and not necessarily just accessories, I would say. You can team it up with different items and you have to keep exploring and you have to keep experimenting to see what looks good on you.
Oh yes!
So cutting the long story short, don't just wear the boring outfits as it is, but try to make some changes in your way of dressing. You know, just bring out that style that you have within.
And here we go.
The first set of pieces that I have taken from my wardrobe are a white button-down shirt and a high-rise blue jean. First thing that I'm going to do here is tuck in my shirt because this is a high-rise jean. High-rise jeans actually helps you elongate your legs so you look taller. Then I've got my navy blue suede boots. These are ankle length. When I wear this with my high-rise skinny jeans, then it elevates my height even more. Here I've got two neck pieces. One is blue and the other is red in color, and I'm twirling it so that it gives a look of a statement neck piece. But I have got other colors as well, so I keep changing. The combination of blue and red along with white really attracts attention. Alright, the next set of pieces are extremely formal in nature. I have combined my black turtleneck with my black skirt, which is straight cut. When I wear these two, though I feel good and there's nothing wrong in it, but it can be made more interesting. So I've got my brown belt with the golden buckle, and this belt is from Aldo. And then I have teamed it up with my boots, which were from DSW, and because these are black in color, it gives an overall powerful look. And because the focal point there is the golden buckle, I have tried to resonate it by bringing that black bag wherein some gold elements are present. Now I would have kept a brown bag, but I don't have it. But if you have a bag which is of the same color as that of your belt, then I think it would be a better option. Last piece is my very summery white dress, which has straps and the lace work, which is quite intricate. And so I don't want to combine it with something that is even more intricate, maybe a neck piece or something. So I don't want to bring a lot of complications there. But what I generally do is I have got a denim sleeveless jacket, and which is also light in color. It is supposed to be worn in summers. It creates a slimming effect, and along with this denim jacket, I wear my white closed toe pumps. which have more than like a 3-inch heel. So again, I look taller, and also the overall look is very interesting and more appealing. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Comment below and let me know if you found it interesting and you're going to bring it to use. And do subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon. Also, if you've liked the video, don't forget to give a thumbs up. And keep watching as I try to bring fresh and interesting content every time. And I'll see you next week on Sunday. Till then, you take care. Bye-bye.